Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you have forgotten the password for your iPhone or iPad, causing you to be unable to use them or encountering an unavailable screen, don't worry. In this video, I will help you unlock your iPhone or iPad without a password. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Using the Forgot Password option. This is the simplest method and does not require a computer. For an iPhone, your device must first be running iOS 17 or later. If you forget your password and enter it incorrectly multiple times on the iPhone, a Forgot Password option will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can select this option to start the iPhone reset process, which will erase all data and the lock screen passcode, so you should back up your data in advance. The system will then prompt you to enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Confirm the reset by tapping Erase iPhone. After the reset process is complete, your iPhone will be reset, and you can set it up as a new device or restore data from an iCloud backup. The same procedure applies to an iPad. Simply enter the wrong password multiple times as you would on an iPhone. Then tap the Forgot Password option at the bottom of the screen and reset your iPad. Wait for the reset process to complete, and then you can set up your iPad again. Method 2. Using Apple devices to restore iPhone or iPad. If you cannot see the Forgot Passcode option due to an outdated iPhone or iPad version or network issues, don't worry, your Apple device can help. First, connect your iPhone to a computer. Then press and release the volume up button. Press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until your iPhone enters recovery mode. The same procedure applies to iPad. Connect the iPad, press and release the volume up button. Press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the iPad enters recovery mode. Next, open your Apple device, or you can open Finder or iTunes. The system will then prompt you to choose Restore or Update. If you do not want to upgrade the system, it is recommended to choose Restore. However, please note that both options will erase the iPhone or iPad data, may be slow, and carry a risk of errors, so use this method with caution. Moreover, I highly recommend using tenorshare 4U key. Method 3. Reset iPhone or iPad using 4U key. If the previous methods have failed, you can use this approach to unlock your iPhone or iPad. I highly recommend tenorshare 4U key. It is easy to use and compatible with most iPhones and iPads. You can find the download link for 4U key in the video description. First, put your iPhone or iPad into recovery mode. Connect it to your computer, then press and quickly release the volume up button. Press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until your iPhone or iPad enters recovery mode. Next, launch 4U key and select Unlock iOS screen. 4U key will automatically detect the firmware your device needs. Click Download, and once the firmware is downloaded, click Start to begin the removal process. This process takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient. Once completed, your device will return to normal, and you can set it up again. These methods should help you unlock your iPhone or iPad. Please note that all methods will erase the data on the device. If you do not have a backup, you may lose data. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.